Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my recipe for ham and cheese jambons. It's a really simple recipe. For anyone that doesn't know, a jambon is just a puff pastry parcel with a ham and cheese filling. Fantastic, isn't it? These are hugely popular here in Ireland. You can't go to a petrol station or a hot deli counter without coming across these, and justly so. So anyways, we'll get underway. Guys, I hope you will give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. So to start off, I have 125 grams of grated cheddar here. Use any cheese you want. I like quite a strong cheese, so I have a mature cheddar here. Really make them nice and cheesy. Just crack in an egg. I like to add just a little bit of cracked black pepper. You don't have to though. I don't add salt because both the ham and the cheese are very salty already, so I think it would be just a bit too salty. Just give that a quick whisk together. Okay, set that there for a moment. Now I just want some deli style ham. The thicker your ham, the better, so I'm going to add 60 grams here. Just chop it into little squares. And then that goes to the mix. Frankly, I could eat this like this. Another stir through. And that's my filling taken care of. Next now for the puff pastry. So this is easy as well, just unroll. And I just want them roughly the same size, but I certainly ain't getting out any ruler. So 3 lengthways. And 4 down the way. So I'm going to get 12 out of this. I'm not going to eat 12 all in one go, so what I will do is stick some in the freezer, so the next time then I want to do them, I can cook them straight from the freezer, just give them a little extra time in the oven. Just divide the mixture between all 12 squares, 1 dollop in the centre of each. Next, all I need to do is seal them. So just press 2 corners together like that, and then the other 2 corners together on top of that to form your parcel. So just place them on a baking tray, either greased or lined with a reusable silicone sheet. That's my first 6 ready to go, so they just need a quick brush with a little egg just to help them go golden in the oven. Brushing all over with the beaten egg. And that's it. These are ready to go into a preheated 220 degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes, just until they're puffed up and golden brown and the cheese and ham is all molten inside. It is best to let these cool for about 10 minutes if you can wait that long. They are very hot. So I've got my tea, I've got my jambons, so I'm all set for the day. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. And above all else, thanks for watching.